Today I'm going to show you how to make black vodka. There is one brand that sells it. I've never seen it, but you can actually make it. And the reason I'm making black vodka is for a Halloween cocktail called the Black Widow, and I will leave the link to the video for my Halloween cocktails down below in the description. You're just going to need vodka and food coloring. So whether you're making an entire 750 milliliters of black vodka or you just need a little bit for a cocktail, you're going to use the same amount of food coloring. That may or may not make sense to you, but those are the instructions I'm following and it has worked for me. So I don't need my entire bottle of vodka to be black, but I'm going to do maybe a half cup or so. You can use whatever vodka you like. Then we need 10 drops of blue food coloring. We need 10 drops of red food coloring. Then we need 8 drops of green food coloring. Now, I'm going to be mixing blue and yellow, so I'll do 4 drops of blue and 4 drops of yellow, and that will give us our green. So if you do this in a bottle, you can just go ahead and shake your vodka bottle with the cap on. Then you'll have your black vodka to use in whatever kind of cocktails you like. It floats well on top of some fruit juices, or it might just give a little bit of ominous look to whatever you're drinking. So there you have it, black vodka. You can store it in an airtight container as you would your normal vodka. If you are here from the Halloween cocktail video, because I did refer you guys to this video on how to make your black vodka, I will leave that cocktail video linked right here on screen for you guys to click to, and I'll see you guys there.